Palakpakan naman natin candidate number 2.
Quiapo, Manila, wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala din po bang malakas na hiyawan dyan? Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and to the panel board of judges. My name is Gian Henderson Liangco, a 35-year-old graduate from the University of Santo Tomas, currently taking up my second course of fashion design in the De La Salle University College of St. Benilde. Nagmula pa po sa pinakamamahal nating lungsod, ang sariling ating pusong Manileño, lungsod ng Maynila. I am a fashion designer by profession and a delegate of different national pageants. Mr. Gay World Philippines 2016, Lakan ng Turismo 2023, and Raha Filipino this coming 2025. Allow me to bring you the fire of inspiration tonight, and I hope that as I come early tonight, remember my number, and I will inspire you all. Maraming salamat po.
Let's give it up once again for candidate number 2, Gian Henderson.